indicators so that you can scalp out profit even when the stock is making a wave. Okay, even when the stock is making a wave, you can take your profits. So you needn't have to wait until the stock goes out of the wave or what. I'll show you how to use the indicators of RSI and when to buy and sell. Just hold on, I'll be sharing the screen right now. Hope everyone can see the shared screen now. Isn't it? Can you see the shared screen? Make sure everyone is seeing the shared screen. Yeah. We'll do one thing, we'll take today's talk. Okay. We'll go for DLF. We'll start from the beginning. Hold on a second. My candles are not for 1 minute. Yeah. So below you can see the RSI indicators. I'll show you how to add the RSI indicators. Okay. As usual, everything will be there in studies. Just search for RSI and you will get the RSI menu where you should give period 12. Make sure that you are noting it. Do not ask again what all values or which all values you should give. RSI period will be 12, overbought will be 70 and oversold will be 30. Okay, you got it? Overbought will be 70, oversold will be 30 and the period will be 12. Make sure that everyone is noting it down and do not ask any of the financial trainer for the value. These are the only things which you should take it into your head.
So,
Raghuir, who told you to switch on the audio? You can use the chat box if you have any doubts. Just now, listen to what all the values you should give. If you are using a smartphone, you won't see studies written. You will see a symbol fx. In mathematics, it's called as function of x. Okay, click on fx, search for RSI, give period 12. Give period 12. If you are using laptop, you should see that. Otherwise, you are using some other brokers. Okay, are you guys clear with the values you should give? Period 12, overbought condition 70 and oversold condition 30. Now we'll go through the chart. Someone is making noise. Make sure that you will not be able to attend the session again. Oversold is 30. I'll write it down for once. Period is 12. Overbought is 70 and oversold is 30. No more confusion in this, and do not ask for this again. It's very clear. Okay. So you can see the stock started the stock movement of today. Okay. You can see the stock movement of today. And below you can see after adding the RSI values, it will be seen below the chart. Just increase or like increase I will be increasing the size of this so that it is more visible for you. Here you can see the RSI values will be fluctuating, okay, from 0 to 100, and you can see one line in the center, that is the 70, the overbought line which we have set to check the overbought condition, and this is oversold condition, that is 30. Okay, so these are the lines which will indicate the overbought and oversold condition. Now I'll tell you how to enter or how to recognize the stock movement using RSI values. Okay, so before that I'll have to ask you something. What will happen if a stock price is going up? What will happen if a stock price starts to move up or appreciate, and if the other traders come to know? You can use the chat box. The people will start buying it, right? Many people will start buying it again and again. And then after when the people start buying it, what will happen? The stock price will start moving up again, isn't it? So the price keeps on increasing, and after a saturation level, the stock price will reduce because those who are bought earlier will be selling it again, isn't it? So when people start selling it, what will happen is that the stock price will go down, and the indicator of RSI will start going down from overbought condition to lesser values, isn't it? Are you getting the idea? Yeah. So I'll show the chart, and here you can see the RSI value is going up and down. Okay, so whenever you see the RSI value touches 70, okay, when it nearly touches 70 and it starts coming back, what you should do is that you should check the EMA lines. You should check the EMA lines, and if the EMA lines are also coming down, or if it's also going below, you can short sell it. Here you can see the RSI value touched 70, it started coming down, but the EMA values or the EMA lines were going up continuously. So you should not short sell there. Okay, and then after some time, the RSI values were coming down, and it was average around 54 or 59, 60, and then it went above 70, and you can see a gray portion, gray shaded portion. Whenever you see a gray shaded portion, do not short sell it, because it shows that it is being in overbought condition for a while. So there are chances that the stock price will go up or it will continue in that price itself. Now let me show you places where you can use, or where you should use RSI to short sell. Here also you can see, here you can see a condition where the RSI almost touched 70, isn't it? When it comes around 70 and when it goes down, what you should do is that you should check the 6 EMA line. If it is going down, what you should do is that you should short sell and take 0.2% profit. Okay, always take 0.2% profit. I'll show it in a more wave condition so that you will understand it more properly. Okay, this is the same when the stock touches 30 and it goes up. I'll make you understand that, Himad. Wait, just wait.